Good morning, everyone. This is Shankar, and my V1 number is 947, and my topic is a comparative study on top four benefit fund limited. I am from Building Multitech College. Let's read the slide. Definition of benefit fund. Benefit fund is a company formed with the exclusive objective of cultivating the habit of thrift saving and functioning for the mutual benefit of members by receiving deposit only from individuals enrolled as members and by lending only to individuals as enrolled as members and which functions are as per guidance of prescription is a notification of Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Next slide. Company profile is Alexander Benefit Fund was incorporated on 8th December 1992. Next slide. And my objectives of company. Objectives of study. Primary objectives are to study about the comparative study between the top four benefit fund enter. And my secondary objectives are to know the percentage of increase in assets and liabilities, to know the company's market status, to identify the best company, to know the company's growth. Next slide. Scope of company, and my main scope of company is the research is based on a primary and secondary data, and the study was done with a collection of annual report. The study is used to improve and maintain the company's value. Next slide. Need of the study. This project helps the organization to decide whether to make any improvement in existing service. Next slide. And my limitation of the study is company did not provide their balance in a quicker time, and as the funds accept deposit and provide loans or different schemes, as the staff of the benefit fund were busy in deep schedule research methodology. Next slide. Next. Tools of analysis. Analysis tools are comparative balance sheet comparison, ratio analysis, common size balance sheet statement, comparative balance sheet statement. Next slide. And my findings are the Kumona benefit fund was here higher profit and deposit loans compared to other three because of they have a more number of branches compared to other three. Kumona benefit has a good EPS, dividend, insurance, and etc. But this is the data is not enough to pay the best company. Again, the benefit fund current ratio is 1.9, so it is a good level. So good position in the market. Next slide. Again, the benefit fund is a debt equity ratio, also profit ratio is a good. So it is a good ability to meet its long-term obligations. And my suggestions are, since the ratio analysis shows a satisfactory level of another benefit fund limited, it can maintain the same and improve it. The company has a bright future if it concentrates more on its deposit loans, thus achieving the overall objectives of the company. Again, the benefit fund current liability and the current ratio are slightly increased compared to last year to this year. And last conclusions are financial performance can improve the financial strength of the company. The company's liquidity position has increased, and it will solve the future problem. Yeah, thank you.